Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Tax Info. I am G Shanbhag, practicing into indirect taxation in Bangalore since last 40 years. Today, in this video, I am going to brief about the recent changes and amendments for the professional tax for the year 2023-24. Please watch the video till end and subscribe the channel. Also, please share this information to your friends. To start with, there is a good news for salaried class. A person who is drawing salary up to rupees 25,000 rupees per month need not pay any professional tax. If his salary is 25,000 rupees or more per month, he is liable to pay a professional tax of rupees 200 per month. That is, your employer will deduct rupees 200 per month from your salary if the salary is 25,000 rupees or more, irrespective of the amount of salary per month. That is, any amount more and above 25,000 rupees is liable for only 200 rupees per month. That is, if the salary, even if it is in lakhs of rupees per month, PT payable is only 200 rupees per month. Payment of PT is the responsibility of the employer. It is the responsibility of the employer to deduct the tax from the salary of the employee every month and remit to the government. Next, for the employer or the businessman or the professionals, previously there were various slabs of rupees 1000 or rupees 1500 or rupees 2000 or rupees 2500 rupees payable as professional tax per year. Now all those slabs are abolished. Now there is only one slab of rupees 2500 rupees. That is to say, if you are an employer or a professional or a businessman or you are into any trade or calling, you should pay rupees 2500 per year as a professional tax. Further, major change or major amendment is with regard to the partnership firms. Earlier, the professional tax for a partnership firm was paid based on the number of partners of the partnership firms. All those things are abolished now. What happened is, you have to pay rupees 2500 per year per partnership firm irrespective of number of partners. That is to say, if you have two partners, then also you have to pay 2500 per year. If you have 5 partners, then also you have to pay 2500 rupees per year. Even if you have 10 partners, you have to pay only rupees 2500 per year. Previously, it was rupees 1000 rupees per partner. That means if you have 10 partners for up to last year, you should have paid 10,000 rupees as a professional tax, that is 1000 rupees per partner per year. Further, if the PT is paid by the partnership firm, the individual partners of the said firm need not pay any professional tax for the year. With respect to the additional place of business, every additional place is treated as a separate entity. That means every additional place is liable for payment of professional tax at the rate of 2500 per year. That is, if you have 2 places of business in Karnataka, you have to pay 2 professional tax. If you have 5 places of business in Karnataka, you have to pay 5 professional tax. That is 5 into 2500. If you have any number of additional place, you have to pay that number of professional tax at the rate of 2500 per year. Earlier, that is up to last year, this was applicable only for the partnership firm and the private limited company or limited company. This year, from this year, it is applicable to all class of businessmen or business people. With respect to interest and penalty payable on the defaulted amount, in case of delay in remittance of the professional tax, earlier it was 1.25% per month interest was leviable on such amount. Now it is increased to 1.5% per month. With regard to the penalty, it was 150% of the defaulted amount. Now it is reduced to 100% of the defaulted amount. Further, the exemption given to the senior citizens on professional tax still continues. That is, if a person aged 60 years or more need not pay any professional tax in the state. Finally, I wish to remind everybody that the payment of professional tax, the due date for the professional tax payment for the year 2023-24 is 30th of April 2023. So hurry, please make the payment to avoid interest and penalty. Thank you. Please contact for any type of assistance with regard to professional tax, where our numbers are displayed below.